This video demonstrates how FabSoft workflows, paired with advanced AI logic, can drastically improve organizational efficiency and the storage of electronic or scanned documents. In this example, we feature three different document types: personal information records, private health information records, and law enforcement documents. Our intelligent workflows utilize AI to scan the document text and swiftly route each document to the correct directory, greatly simplifying document storage and classification for organizations. As any document that fits one of these three categories can now be easily directed to the correct location. Furthermore, this system does not require predefined document type categories, allowing any document type to be efficiently analyzed and directed to the appropriate location. This workflow not only automates the destination of documents, but also includes a text file containing all important values extracted from the document text. Users can choose to alter the output file names to fit a specific document structure or leave the names unchanged. The advanced AI workflows can also easily handle multi-page documents, intelligently splitting each document type into its own PDF. In conclusion, FabSoft workflows, enhanced with advanced AI logic, revolutionize document management by automating classification, storage, and data extraction, significantly boosting organizational efficiency and flexibility. If you would like to harness the power of FabSoft DeskConnect's advanced AI workflows, please click the link in the description below to try it free for 30 days.